we have for the branch office, and we have the SMB appliance starting from 1500 series and 3000 series appliance also there, which is cost effective, and it has the throughput performance as well. And it can support up to 1 Gbps TP throughput or thread prevention throughput, and you won't face any loading latency or any issues. And so what are the features available with this branch offices appliance? We have zero touch provisioning. So without touching the firewall, you can configure everything on the cloud portal, and once the firewall comes active, it will take the configurations, everything from the cloud. So large scale deployment, we have, so keeping multiple firewalls at branch offices will be the time consuming thing, and they can't control using the unified management, reporting and all not possible, and threat sharing capability won't be there, and there is lots of interoperability issues also related to the VPN and everything. So for that, we recommend these CheckPoint SMB appliance. If customer has multiple branch office, and if they want to take care of the SD-WAN technology and the advanced threat prevention, and the few configuration things like zero touch provisioning, large scale deployment, large scale site to site VPN. So this thing will be configured very easily, because in branch office there will be lots of dynamic VPN, and so connecting the dynamic VPNs will be the complex things. And we have advanced technology here that you don't need to have the no IP or dyne DNS kind of thing. So everything will be integrated in the firewall. You can configure the dynamic VPN very easily. So so this is how we can prevent the attacks and everything happen in the branch offices. And the firewall has the SMB appliance is same like Gen 5 appliance. It has all the features starting from firewall, the IPS, VPN, antivirus, anti-bot, anti-spam, and sandboxing. All the features whatever available with the enterprise box, everything is available with cost effectiveness. Let's go into the topic, and the topic how the branch officers can make use of the CheckPoint SD-WAN technology. So CheckPoint has partnership with multiple vendors for the SD-WAN, and you know about Silver Peak, the VMware Vela Cloud, and lots of other vendors also there. So it can work. It can perform the interoperability and work very well with other vendors. And let's see how it will work. There will be some on-prem service also available for the SD-WAN technology, and we have cloud service as well. So let's say, so how you can choose between the cloud as well as the on-prem. So what kind of customer will need the cloud service of SD-WAN technology and on-prem service of SD-WAN technology. So the decision will be made based on the protection, what you are going to protect. You protect only the user traffic, I mean inbound traffic, or you want to protect the server traffic as well. So if customer has lots of servers inside the branch office, and he is expecting lots of requests going to the servers from the internet facing application, or any applications from application that could be accessed from the data center or HQ. So this kind of scenario, you have to go with the Cloud Guard Edge only. In CheckPoint, there is two kind of product: Cloud Guard Edge, that is for the virtual machine and on-prem SD-WAN deployment, and Cloud Guard Connect also there. This is our cloud-based platform. So Cloud Guard Connect and Cloud Guard Edge is nothing but this is just the firewall. It will be used for the firewall purpose. Like all the threat prevention capability will be there, the advanced security will be there, and whatever you can see in the SMB box and enterprise box, all the features will be available with this box as well. And this will be work along with the Velo Cloud. So when you look into the first use case, the branch office, uh, just assume the branch office has lots of users, but there is no server. So in this case, they can go with the cloud-based deployment. So Cloud Guard Connect is like CheckPoint appliance on the cloud. So this will be licensed based on number of users. Suppose if you want to connect 100 user, then you need to buy 100 license for that, and all your user request will be going to the Cloud Guard Connect. So you may have this query in mind, like if all the traffic is going to the cloud, how it will be protect, like the traffic, can anyone can airdrop the traffic, or man in the middle attack happen, you may have this thing in mind. But what we do in this case, the customer may have router, or any kind of firewall, or any other small appliance in the branch office. It should have the capability of proper IPsec VPN, and there is some prerequisite also there. You can check in CheckPoint site, the Cloud Card Connect data sheet. The prerequisite will be there, and if simply if router has capability of IPsec VPN, this communication, then we can go ahead with this approach, the Cloud Guard Connect. In this approach, the as I said earlier, the server should not be there in the branch office. Only the inbound traffic. Inbound means, I mean to say, from the Cloud Guard Connect, it is inbound traffic. The user traffic will be inbound in the view of Cloud Guard Connect. So all the traffic will be going in the IPsec VPN, and from there, IPsec VPN from branch office to Cloud Guard Connect, and from there we perform the security check, anti-bot, antivirus, anti-spyware, the IPS, anti-spam, all the security check, the URL filtering, content filtering can also be done. So we used to do all these things, and then the traffic will be forwarded to particular SaaS environment, or SaaS service, or any cloud related service, or something like that. So this is how it will work. From the Cloud Guard Connect, we will do the SD-WAN. So it has the integrated SD-WAN functionality built in with that, and the license will be based on number of users only. So there we can perform the SD-WAN, and we can forward to some of the SaaS applications. So Cloud Guard Connect data center, it is available. It is hosted on the cloud. The data center is available everywhere. Like it is available in Middle East region. It is available in Bahrain, and US region also lots of data center there. Europe, lots of data center there. In India and Asia region, lots of data centers are there. So so all the traffic will be routed there without any latency. Like I can say, within 50 millisecond latency, all the traffic will be routed and come back. And apart from that, we have Cloud Guard Edge also. So Cloud Guard Edge, how it will work? Unlike the Cloud Guard Connect, I told Cloud Guard Connect will work with any kind of environment. If your router, basic Cisco router, has IPsec capability, IPsec VPN capability, the branch of it can connect to the Cloud Guard Connect. So you can in Cloud Guard Connect, you can connect multiple VPNs also. Like let's say if one VPN down, it has to transfer through the other VPN, and VPN packet rate is up to 850 Mbps it can support. So there is no problem related to the throughput or something. And with the Cloud Guard Edge, there will be some difference related to the use case. So Cloud Guard Edge, it is like on-prem firewall for the on-prem firewall, CheckPoint firewall, and this will be used in the case customer has lots of servers inside the branch office, and there will be some there will be some users as well. So in this case, you need to protect the traffic coming from outside to your server, as well as the traffic going outside from the user. So you need to protect the bidirectional communication here. So we have this cloud guard edge, which is our virtual appliance, and this will be licensed based on number of CPU cores, and it can even work with 1 GB RAM and 1 GB memory, something like that. So you don't have more prerequisite required for that. And the only thing is the cloud guard edge will work only with Velo Cloud uh, SD-WAN technology. And yeah, so this use case is little bit different, and by using this you can configure. I assume you guys already know about the basic SD-WAN SD-WAN technology. So this is how it will work. For example, if customer has one MPLS, one ADSL, or and some other 4G link or something, so we will connect all these three physical link, and collectively doing it as a one logical link, and one logical link will be used for this SD-WAN purpose. The link path, option will be choose based on the jitter, the link quality, and the latency. Everything will be considered when choosing the link path. And yeah, so this is the two main use case related to the SD-WAN, and there is a third thing also, security gateway. This you already know about this, and the checkpoint SMB box or any enterprise box can be deployed at the branch office, and it will be used for preventing the Gen 5 attacks, everything. So SD-WAN optimizes the branch office connectivity. As I said earlier, there is some use case given here. So one data center is there, and four branch offices are here, and there is some SaaS application on the cloud, and the all the branch offices has three links: the MPLS, 4G, the broadband. All these links are there. So these branch offices will make all these three physical link into one logical link, and it will implement the SD-WAN based on that. And it is more intelligent software driven approach to the WAN, and the granular application QoS and security policies assigned to business requirement. You know, the Checkpoint has more than 8,000 categories of applications, which none other competitor have that. And you can configure the QoS policy based on the applications also, and configure the security policy as per the requirement. And secure local internet breakout, or anything went wrong, then it will switch to the other link automatically. And lower cost, higher bandwidth broadband. So this is the problem with multiple enterprises. They can't afford to pay afford for the MPLS things, which is very expensive. And they can, instead of paying for one MPLS, they can keep three or four ADSL link, and they can implement this SD-WAN to reduce the WAN cost, WAN ISP cost, the WAN optimization technique. And it is not only useful for reducing the cost, but it will improve the quality of the communication as well. Uh, there won't be any outage or packet loss or quality related to the server access or SaaS application usage, anything. And which is centrally orchestrated. So what it mean, centrally orchestrated? Here in this diagram, you can see four branch offices are there. So how we are connecting these four branch office, going uh, there won't be any need to go to the one branch office, other branch office firewall and configure it. Everything is centrally orchestrated. You can go to the cloud portal, create the site, and configure the policies. That's it. So there will be the unified management and reporting available with this SD-WAN technology. So by 2023, 90% of branches will be transitioned to SD-WAN technology. So we have more opportunities in this technology. Uh, Branch office SD-WAN security challenges. So, what are all the security challenges will be there in the branch office? Branch direct connectivity to internet exposes them to Gen 5 attacks. So, if they avoid the firewall and connect only the SD-WAN or any other thing, if they provide the direct internet connectivity, then they will be vulnerable to attacks. And upgrading multiple physical gateways is time consuming and leaves security inconsistent and lagging. So the multiple physical gateways, if there is uh, present at the branch side without any central orchestration, then there will be problem in upgrading and configuration, and some security policy inconsistency will be there. So we can't give consistent security to all the branch offices if there is multiple physical gateways present in the branch office. So this is one of the challenge, and multiple point solution drive up administrative cost and create operational challenges. So if they have the multiple point solution, there will be more administrative cost and operational challenges also there. So this is also one of the challenge. So as I said earlier, customer has two options to choose for the SD-WAN technology, and Cloud Code Connect is from for the cloud-based cloud-based thing, cloud cloud network security as a service. It is nothing but firewall as a service on the cloud, and with the SD-WAN technology. So this is easily deployed. You can even deploy in 5 minutes. You just need to create the site and assign the policy, everything. That's it. And Cloud Guard Edge also there. This is for on-prem virtual network function. So this will be deployed above the Velo Cloud environment. Well, Velo Cloud is VMware virtual appliance, VMware physical appliance or virtual appliance. This is available in two form. So you just need to install this Cloud Guard Edge above this SD-WAN, Velo Cloud SD-WAN. So Velo Cloud SD-WAN will provide the SD-WAN functionalities, and Cloud Guard Edge will provide the security, the advanced security and everything. So these both will work together and secures both incoming and outgoing connections and maintain privacy and compliance. So so how customer can choose based on these two things? As I said earlier, if customer has only the users present in the branch office, then they can go with the Cloud Guard Connect. If they have users as well as the server, and if they want to protect both incoming and outgoing connection, then Cloud Guard Edge will be the proper solution to implement that use case. So these are all the two things, and SLA we provide 99.9% SLA, and throughput related things related to the cloud also no issues. 850 Mbps traffic can go through the IPsec VPN, and you can connect multiple VPN as well to the Cloud Guard Connect from the on-prem. So there won't be any packet loss or disaster recovery is required, since you have multiple VPNs already configured in the branch office. So secure SD-WAN from the cloud. So this is like you just need to buy the Cloud Guard Connect, and it has by default it has the Velo Cloud, uh, the SD-WAN technology as well, and it can be deployed within 5 minutes and less than 50 millisecond latency. And redundancy link, as I said, you can connect multiple VPNs, and it can ensure 99.9% uptime, and flexible management option. So either you can manage through the centralized cloud orchestration, or you can even manage it through the smart console as well. So, and SD-WAN advanced integration and automation. So SD-WAN advanced functionality is also available with this thing. There will be 99.99% service uptime. because we have multiple availability zone, the primary and secondary availability zone, and you can create the primary and secondary tunnel. If one tunnel goes down, the traffic will be forwarded to another tunnel. This is cloud native architecture with elastic scalable within in zone high availability. So worldwide, in US, there is more than 5 data centers, and Canada, Germany, France, Sweden. Here in Middle East, we have in Bahrain. So there won't be any delay since we have multiple data centers available across the subcontinents everywhere, and flexible management option. And either it can be managed through the CheckPoint Infinity portal, that is cloud-based Infinity portal. You can do the cloud orchestration and everything. And we have unified cyber security management. You know about R80.30, the smart console, everything. You can manage it through as well. So secure SD-WAN on-prem. As I said, the Cloud Guard Edge is the on-prem, and 500 Mbps threat prevention it can provide, and inbound and outbound security, automated deployment, and flexible management options. So these are all the features with the Cloud Guard Edge. And as I said earlier, this is lightweight. It can be even installed in the lightweight machine, lightweight server, because this is very lightweight. VM one core CPU, 1 GB RAM, 1 GB disk will be required to implement this Cloud Guard Edge, and integrated with the SD-WAN solution. VM, as I said earlier, it will support only one use case, which is VMware Vela Cloud environment, and either you can install it on the physical box, or VMware Vela Cloud also available as in the virtual form. So you can install above this Vela Cloud environment, and this can be centrally managed. And Cloud Guard Edge will be based on the number of cores. License will be based on the number of cores. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining the session. And if you have any queries, you can check with me now. Thanks, guys. I assume there is no questions. I will just share my email ID and contact number. If you have any requirement related to the checkpoint, any technologies, if you need any POC assistance, or technical inquiries, anything, you can reach out to me. Again, thanks for joining the session. Thank you, guys. Bye.